Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in ClickUp, whether you're cleaning up completed work or removing outdated items from your workflow. Knowing how to properly delete tasks helps keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the tasks you want to manage. After logging in, you'll be directed to your ClickUp workspace where all your projects and tasks are organized. Now that you're in your workspace, take a look at your left-hand panel. Here you'll see various navigation options that help you move through your different projects. Click on Spaces. This is where all your organizational structures live, grouping your work into different categories or departments. From the spaces available, click on the specific space that contains the task you want to delete. For example, if you're working on a marketing project, you'd select your marketing space. After selecting your space, you'll need to navigate to the list view. Click on List to display all the tasks within that particular space. This view gives you a clear overview of everything you're working on, making it easy to locate specific items. The list view is particularly helpful when you need to manage multiple tasks at once or quickly scan through your workflow. Now comes the crucial part. Browse through your tasks and locate the specific task you want to delete. Once you've found it, right-click directly on that task. This action will bring up a context menu with several options for managing the task. Right-clicking is a quick way to access various task actions without having to open the task itself. From the context menu that appears, look for the option labeled Delete and click on it. This will remove the task from your list entirely. Keep in mind that deleting a task is usually permanent, so make sure you've selected the right one before confirming this action. Once deleted, the task will no longer appear in your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully removed the task from your ClickUp workspace, keeping your project organized and focused on what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.